Ukulele lesson for beginners number 2, tuning. So we're gonna tune our ukulele to the notes G, C, E, A, starting from the top string or the 4th string down to the 1st string. The common tune that people like to sing is, "My dog has fleas." There are 3 ways that you can tune your ukulele, and the one that I recommend the most is to use a clip-on tuner like this. This is called a Snark. So what I'm gonna do is just turn the tuner on here, and I'm gonna check my strings, starting with the top one, and make sure that they're in tune. So it's supposed to say G, right? This is the G string. And it looks like it's in tune, it's right center there. So, but let's say it was a little out of tune. Let's say it was low. Then it's gonna be red and it's gonna be to the left of center. That means I have to go higher on the string until I get it in the center. And if I went too far, let's say it was too high, it's gonna go to the right there, it's gonna be yellow. So I'd have to bring it down a little bit. And I recommend playing the string a lot quickly as you turn the knob here. The next one's a C. That one's really good already. So, and the next one's supposed to be an E. All right. So that one's lower, and the first string's an A. Okay, so that's good. The next way we can tune is by using a tuner app like this. This is GuitarTuna on my iPhone. And it's just gonna listen to the strings as I play them. It's a top string G. Just gotta get it in the middle. It's gonna tune the same way as with the Snark tuner, but it's using the microphone to listen to our ukulele. There we go. The third way that you can tune, and probably the most difficult, is to tune by ear using another instrument such as a keyboard or piano. So if you have your keyboard or piano, the notes would actually be G going down to C, E, and A. G, C, E, A. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to compare those notes, G, to your ukulele. And for example, let's say the string was flat or something, and I play this. You're gonna have to use the keyboard as a reference to tune your strings. Now, if you can't hear if it's out of tune, or if you don't know whether to go higher or lower, this probably isn't the best method for you. At least not yet. Now, if you want to get better at the ukulele, make sure you follow and like this video, because you don't want to miss the next video in this series. Have a great day, guys.